For writing today, we are responding to the two books we read in reading, Scaredy Squirrel and Squirrels. So, as usual, you can respond to both of the books or just one of them. It's up to you. So the first thing you're writing about is something that you found interesting as you read. So a good sentence starter for that is I notice. Don't forget your capital I at the beginning and your period at the end. The next thing you're writing about is a question that you had before, during, or after your reading. So a good sentence starter for that is I wonder. Don't forget a question mark at the end of that. The last thing you're writing about is a connection that you made as you were reading. A good sentence starter for that is, this book reminds me of, don't forget a capital T at the beginning and a period at the end of that sentence. When you are all done, please read your sentences and make sure you've got a capital at the beginning and a period or a question mark at the end. Make sure it's your best, then press the X and the blue turn in button.